Alright guys, Motorola has officially unveiled the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G, and it's expected to hit the shelves on April 9th, 2025. We've got all the details, specs, features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth the wait. So if you're excited, drop a like and subscribe for more tech updates. This phone is built like a tank. Flex biceps with IP69 water and dust resistance and ML STD 810 certification, it can handle some serious wear and tear. The quad curved design makes it look premium, and it comes in 4 stunning colors. We get a 6.7-inch Full HD plus quad curved OLED panel with 10-bit color depth and 1 billion colors for stunning visuals. With 120 Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness, it's great for content consumption, but a 144 Hz refresh rate would have been better. Under the hood, it's powered by the Dimensity 7400 chipset with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.1 storage. While daily performance is smooth, the Antutu score of 740,000 suggests it's not the most powerful option in its price range. Expect 60 FPS gaming, but don't push it for high-end gaming. The Realme GT3 and other competitors might offer better chipsets in the same price bracket. Heavy checkmark pros: stunning design, durable build, immersive display, and smooth daily use. Cross-mark cons: lags behind in gaming and raw performance. So, is it worth the wait? If you prioritize design, display, and durability, it's a solid pick. But if you want top-tier gaming and performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and amp. Subscribe for more tech updates.